G'day YouTube. This is a 1 minute video on how to get your Range Rover Evoque into neutral. There's two methods. One's if you've got battery power and the other is if you have no power at all. Inside the car, just press the start stop so that you get power, and then put your foot on the brake and hold it there, and then hold down the plus paddle gear selector for 15 seconds. The gear selection switch should pop up and then you can choose neutral. If you don't have power, you need to pop the bonnet and remove the airbox. There's a few things you need to undo there in the picture. Underneath the airbox, there might be a gear selection unit that looks like this. That's held in place by 4 bolts. You have to remove that. Sometimes you don't have it there, which is easier, in which case you just grab that little rod in the picture and pull it across and stick a 4mm Allen key or something that fits like a screwdriver into that hole to hold it there, and then you will be able to roll the car in neutral. Anyway, that's the quick and easy way to get your Evoque into neutral. Hopefully it helps you out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.